In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude login not working issue. First, make sure you are entering the correct email and password. Also check that caps lock is turned off. If you forgot your password, use the reset password option. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If it still doesn't work, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, find Claude, then open Storage and tap Clear Cache. After that, restart the app and try logging in again. If the problem continues, uninstall the app completely. Then go to your App Store, search for Claude, and reinstall the official app. Once reinstalled, open the app and try logging in again using your credentials. And that's how you can fix the Claude login not working issue. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.